Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can change dress color on CapCut mobile versions. So it's very easy to do. So you can tap on your a project. You can open your project and tap on the video. Here there's a toolbar. Tap adjust and search for the HSL. As you can see, this woman have a yellow dress here, so you can tap on yellow one and try to play the hue, saturation and lightness. Here, as you can see, there is a changing on his dress color, so you can try to play with the hue and lightness and the saturation here. So feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like and subscribe, and also click thanks button below. See you in the next video.